Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this kitchen and home review, we tested Amazon kitchen gadgets, so you don't have to. We always like to add innovation to our videos. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment, and share. These smart gadgets make cooking simple, fast, and stress-free for everyone. Perfect for beginners, busy parents, and home chefs who love practical solutions. From chopping to storing, these tools make every step easier. Trending now on Amazon, TikTok, and Temu, and they actually work. Each product is affordable, durable, and designed for everyday cooking needs. Say goodbye to complicated gadgets and hello to effortless. So let's start the video. Cooking spatula set. Food-grade silicone. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, can be used in any type of food, and it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. These silicone cooking utensils do not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. Best kitchen tools. One-piece stainless steel core to enhance durability and toughness to keep the spatulas from bending or deformation. 33 different shape for its unique function would be your great kitchen helper. A small holes on the handles for easy storage. Extra 10 PCS hooks and utensils holder for convenient storage. A silicone mat provide you more convenience. Great presents for anyone who loves to cook. Also good present set for your friend, family. Food storage container. Largest glass container with airtight locking and handle lid. Quality design, 220 ounces / 6,500 ml / 28 cups. Glass container with locking lid. Is the largest you will find with locking lid. REVOLUTIONIZE uses premium grade material to bring you industrial and restaurant grade glass to your home kitchen. Airtight leak proof. Multipurpose can be used as bakeware or for storage. The perfect solution to bake your lasagna for lunch or meat / chicken for dinner and store them as well. Silicone sealed BPA-free plastic lids. Plastic lid is not microwave or oven safe. Leak-proof storage. Container is easily sealed, airtight, and spill-proof. Square glass food container. Keep leftovers fresh. Goes straight from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven to the table. Food can be cooked directly in the container using microwave or oven. Jar revolving countertop spice rack. Set includes 1 rotating spice rack and 20 pre-filled glass spice jars with removable sifter and labeled black caps. 20 essential spices. Includes basil, bay leaves, celery salt, chives, cilantro, coriander, crushed mint, dill weed, fennel seed, herbs de Provence, Italian seasoning, marjoram, oregano, parsley, pizza seasoning, rosemary, savory seasoning, sea salt, sea salt. Stylish storage. The rotating, polished stainless steel rack keeps spices neat and easily accessible on countertops or in cabinets. Free spice refills for 5 years. Eligible for 5 years of free spice refills of your choice. Vegetable chopper and spiralizer. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean, save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. 5-star design. The soft grip TPU handle ensures controlled chopping, while the non-skid rubber base keeps the BPA-free veggie chopper steady on any surface, wet or dry. The built-in catch tray keeps counters clean and mess-free. Vegetable peeler. Make peeling fruits and vegetables faster and easier with our kitchen fruit and vegetable tool. Featuring a sharp stainless steel blade, this peeler glides smoothly through cucumbers, carrots, potatoes, and more. The built-in container collects peels for a mess-free experience, while the comfortable handle ensures a secure grip. Its convenient hanging design saves space in your kitchen. Perfect for quick meal prep and durable enough for everyday use. Wireless meat thermometer. Perfectly cooked foods. This smart cooking thermometer takes away the guesswork with real-time internal temperature updates, flip reminders, rest indicators, estimated time left, and more. Quad sensors. Get maximum cooking accuracy from any angle with 3 internal and 1 ambient sensor. Unlimited wireless freedom. Long-range connectivity means you can remotely monitor cooking while chatting with friends and family and still get a perfectly cooked meal. Cooking presets. Get help setting optimal cooking times for various foods with choices for meat, cut, and doneness right on the Chef IQ app, or choose from hundreds of delicious recipes. Protect your protein. Ultra-thin design keeps proteins intact and juices inside for perfectly cooked meat every time. Audible and visual reminders. Hear reminders from the charging hub speaker as well as app notifications to ensure you don't miss a thing. Astercook pots and pans set. High-performance non-stick coating equipped with a premium non-stick coating, our pots and pans offer exceptional durability and performance. Easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, it ensures a healthier cooking experience. Secure removable handle cookware set features a cutting-edge removable handle with a secure locking mechanism. This ensures a stable and reliable grip during cooking, so you can cook with confidence every time. Convenient storage and cleaning. The detachable handle design saves valuable storage space and simplifies cleanup. Easily remove the handle for a quick and thorough wash, keeping your cookware and kitchen spotless. Versatile compatibility pots and pan sets are suitable for a wide range of heat sources, including induction, gas, and ceramic hobs. Ensure that the cookware sets are uniformly heated in a stable and efficient manner under all cooking conditions. Balloon whisk. Fatigue-free mixing 8.5 plus 10.5 plus 12 thickened wire comfy non-slip grip made Anite whisk can be fatigue-free mixing. Proper balance between floppy and sturdy. More guaranteed than others. Great for non-stick pots, and Anite whisk have sturdy silicone protective cover, which is non-stick itself and won't scratch the non-stick coating in your pots and pans. Easy cleaning after using. Anite whisks are perfect with your cooking ware. SWFT, comfortable, non-slip handle. Anite innovative ergonomic handle shape and soft, comfortable grip to absorb pressure. Its excellent balance and control let you really feel the quality of Anite. HEAT-resistant durable healthy silicones are resistant to heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for cooking almost any favorite food. Anite whisk won't discolor, warp, or melt. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Bamboo cutting board. Kichi offers a versatile set with sizes including 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 9 by 6 inches. Accommodating all your cutting needs from meats and vegetables to fruits and breads. This variety ensures you always have the perfect board for any task. Our cutting boards undergo a thermal treatment at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, a process known as carbonization. This treatment enhances the bamboo's stability, significantly reduces moisture absorption, and gives the board a rich, dark hue that complements any kitchen decor. Experience unparalleled durability with Kichi's cutting board set, which uses a cross-laminated technique. Each layer of bamboo is precisely interlocked to create a robust structure that resists warping and cracking.